Hello friends! Today's video is about Inji Puli, one of the main dishes in an Onam feast. You can see how to easily prepare Inji Puli at home in this video. If you like the video, remember to like, comment, and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare Inji Puli, I have taken 100 grams of ginger, finely chopped. I have also finely chopped 2 green chilies and 3 small onions. 2 sprigs of curry leaves have also been taken. The small onions are optional. I have taken a lemon-sized ball of tamarind, soaked it in hot water, and extracted the juice. I have also taken about 3 tablespoons of jaggery syrup. If you want more sweetness, you can increase the amount of jaggery syrup. Now, let's prepare the Inji Puli. For that, take a pan. When the pan is hot, add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add the finely chopped ginger to it. Also add the finely chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Now mix it well and roast it. You should roast it on a medium flame. Now the ginger is well roasted. At this time, pour the tamarind water that we have mixed. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. When it comes to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Mix it well. Now cover it and boil it. After 2 minutes, open it. Now add the jaggery syrup to it. Mix it well. Add the required salt for the Inji Puli at this time. Mix it again. Now cook it until it thickens. Now that Inji Puli has thickened well, at this time turn off the stove. Now to temper the mustard, take a small pan and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When they splutter, add 2 dry red chilies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and 3 to 4 finely chopped small onions. Small onions are optional and not mandatory to add. Now pour this over the Inji Puli. Mix it well. Now Inji Puli, one of the main dishes of an Onam feast, is ready. We can make this very easily at home. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment, and share. If you're watching Chef Joji's channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. There are a lot of old videos on Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page, so try to watch them. So I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.